This will most likely be the last video that I do at this property. This is my house at Smith Lake, Alabama. And no, I'm not selling it because it's not performing or anything like that. It's just that it's doubled in value. The most important key element here is that literally I've only made one investment into my portfolio, $126,000, long time ago. So Bree and I paid $799 for this property in 2022, and we put about $120,000 into it to update it. She redesigned the entire thing. You know, the black walls, first time she's ever done black walls on the shiplap. Can't remember the name of these couches. Rebuilt the entire fireplace, redid the railings, all new kitchen, brand new mega island, huge here that our guy in Gulf Shores custom built for us. And did that for about 120,000. New floors, basement downstairs, all that good stuff. You've probably seen this before. But here's the deal. Here's where a lot of you make mistakes in your investing is you hold on too long. You hear me and guys like Ryan Bakey talking about return on equity audits. And that's what I've done here. I paid $799 for this. This is consistently over the last 3.5 years done between 165 to 185. It's a great investment. But I'm under contract at a full price offer. This is the second home in a row that I've sold in the last year that's been at full price or above asking. And it's because we do one fundamental thing. You won't see crazy stuff around here. You see a fire pit, there's a hot tub, but we buy the outside. Those views can't be replicated on the lake. Bria has designed this house very, very well, but it's not over the top with funky murals and crazy game rooms. Sure, we have games and we have murals and that type of stuff, but it's done to increase value of the property as much as it is to increase rental income. Let that sink in. If you go like all out crazy with pickleball courts and chess games and all that type of stuff, that's going to dramatically increase your revenue, no question. But now you're putting yourself in a box of who you're going to sell to, and that's only an investor. Somebody looking for a second home is not interested in that. The person, actually, is kind of a public persona. I won't say who it is yet, but that's buying this is buying it for a second home, not to be a short-term rental. That's why she designs on the elegant side as opposed to the over-the-top side. And there's nothing wrong with either. You just need to understand how it fits into your investing strategy. So for us, this house is doubled. We're under contract at $1.485 million. Full asking price. That means that I'm going to walk out of here. I don't know. We probably owe $550. Roughly about $800,000. That's a tremendous appreciation. It's tremendous revenue that we've generated as well, but I can do better. And so I'm investing this into a property that I'm under contract on. And now, because of the timing, I'll 1031 out of this, which I rarely do. I usually do the lazy man's 1031, but I'll 1031 out of this into a $2.75 million property on the other side of the country. 3x the appreciation growth and 2x my cash flow. And there's some ancillary unique opportunities with this other one that are totally on a different business side and outside of traditional short-term rental investing.
Look, bookkeeping is the bane of my existence as a short-term rental owner. I hate QuickBooks. I don't log into it. It's just something that I will literally procrastinate and never do until today. I'm happy to introduce you to Baselane. I just found them about 5 or 6 weeks ago, and they have not only a simple, easy to use back-end bookkeeping system that's built just for us as short-term rental investors, they've got AI built into it as well to automatically track and categorize to literally save me 95% of time on reconciliation. Honestly, I don't mind logging into Baselane. It's kind of cool to see the AI work as opposed to having to log into QuickBooks or Stessa. I was a QuickBooks user previously. And then the second part of this is you can break this out for every individual property that you have, and they have banking. The banking is easy. It's simple, and you can create an account for every one of your properties, and they give you a debit card, and they're paying us 3.35% interest. So now you have your banking, and you have literally the best AI bookkeeping available, all in one app at Baselane. You need to check them out. I'm using them, and I hope you'll join me on this journey of actually falling in love with bookkeeping again.
That's because I do a return on equity audit every 6 months. And if I get into buying mode, I look at the true value of my assets from an appreciation run rate. I look at from a cash flow perspective, and even if the markets are trending up or down. And let me tell you, Smith Lake, Alabama is a rock solid lake investment, but hard to do it at like $2 million plus unless you do something mega like I did around the corner there. And you've seen my 12-bedroom, 9 bath where I posted co-hosting retreats and mastermind meetings. Once again, that's unique because it's the largest property on the entire lake. So what sold this property was the improvements that we made to sell as much as to generate revenue. And I can't emphasize how important that is, especially if you're looking to grow and scale on my 550-250 plan. If you're looking to do that, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can catch the link down below. If you're in my Build Short-Term Rental Facebook group with over 33,000 other investors, I'll put the link down below as well to make sure that you guys can get that. And there's two things you want to do to make sure that you can execute that, right? So you got the 550-250 plan, but you also need to make sure that you use the super grader. The super grader, in my opinion, is just as important, if not more important, than the Performa. And I built that. That's what I've been using to invest basically since probably about property number 4. This next purchase for me will be property number 73 that I purchased. So, gosh, 69 properties I've used the super grader for. Now you can get it absolutely for free right down below. If you have any questions, post a comment down below. Comment 250 and we'll send you the 250 plan. It's a mini masterclass. You're going to absolutely love it. Most importantly, if you're on YouTube, smash that subscribe button. Hasta la vista, Sunset Point, Smith Lake. We've had a good run. Now it's time to reposition you and make some more money.